Good morning, everyone. This is Michael Moix with Moix RV in Conway. We are so excited this week because it is showtime in Arkansas. That's right. This weekend is the annual Arkansas RV Show. This is the big show at the State House Convention Center in Little Rock. It's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday and Saturday 10 to 8 and Sunday 10 to 6. All your local dealers are going to be there. Come see all your friends. Come see all the new units this year. You wouldn't believe the innovations that are going on in the RV industry, and we're going to have them all at the State House this weekend to show you. It's going to be one of the safest, cleanest events you've ever seen. We've got extra sanitizing on hand. We've got hand sanitizer. We're cleaning the units. We've got them ready for you. Come see us this weekend, the State House Convention Center, for the annual Arkansas RV Show. And check us out on social media. We're going to be posting some cool videos of behind the scenes of how the RV show gets put together and gets presented to you every year. So it's going to be really cool. We're super excited. Again, it's Show Week in Arkansas. Come see us this weekend, State House Convention Center, for the Arkansas RV Show. Friday and Saturday 10 to 8 and Sunday 10 to 6. Hope to see you this weekend.